Hi guys, today we are going to see about key result metrics. So key results are used to check the progress of a goal quantitatively. When it comes to key result metrics, there are four types to be discussed. One is currency, the other one is percentage, one numeric and binary. So I have created one example with key results, one under each type. So I have my first key results with a numeric matrix, the second one with a percentage matrix, and another one with a currency matrix, and the last one with a binary matrix. So I have created this goal. So this is how the goal card looks like. And now all are at level 0. Now let's try to do an update and see what happens. Click on update. It prompts me to update all these three. So there's also one extra option as status. There are 3 statuses: off track, progressing and on track. Based on this status that I create, on my goal card header the color changes. Also the same is shown on the activity feed. Okay, let's set this to progress. And down here when updating key results, the numeric, percentage and currency, you can either increment the value or you can set the total to some amount you want. So as the first example, let's increment this. So the first one I'm going to increment by 5, and the second one also I'm going to increment by 5. This I'll increment by 2. For the fun of it, let's increment this by 3. And I'm not going to touch this last one as it's a binary value and I can change it only one time. So now let's post this update. Okay, the update is posted. Now if I look at this goal card, this is set to orange because I set the status accordingly, and this I set this to 5. So it shows that my numeric metric is increased by 10% if you're talking in percentage view, or else it's set to 5, and this is set to 3, and this 10 million sales are set to 2. This is still as active because we didn't touch the binary part. Okay, let's update it again. This time we'll try to set the totals. So now the current value is 5, so we'll set the total to 6. Now this is 3, now I'll set the total to 5, and over here this is 2 already, so I'll just set this to total to 6. Same way, comment is mandatory, and I'll set the status to on track and post the update. Okay, the update got posted. Since I set the status accordingly, now this is set to green, the goal card header, and if I look the key result values, this is set to 6 and the percentage is set to 5 as I entered, and the currency value is set to 6. So that is how it is. These pie charts, it just show an update, the quantitative update as a percentage. That's all. Now let's update this and set all to complete. Now this is 6. I'll set this to 50 and this to 15 and this total to 10, and in the meantime I'll also set my binary value to complete. So set this, and to see the view changes I'll set the status to red, off track, and post the update. Okay, the update got posted. Now if I look at my gold card header, it's set to red and all these percentages are now set to 100% and my binary key result is set to completed. This is 50 out of 50 and the percentage is 15. The expected is also 15%. And the sales improvement is also, we're supposed to go to 10 million and with the last update it's set to 10 million. So I guess that's it about the key results and the goal status updates.